Singapore's waste collectors are injecting more resources to handle biohazardous medical waste, which is set to surge as the mass COVID-19 vaccination kicks off. The country threw out over 15 tons of trash like syringes and swabs each day last year. That's a jump from the year before, based on data from the National Environment Agency.
Once used, these syringes have to be incinerated within 24 hours. That's because any blood or bodily fluids on them could potentially be infectious. They're adding to the growing volume of medical waste as the pandemic drags on.
Last year, the amount of biohazardous waste turned out in Singapore surged by about 50% compared to 2019 volumes due to the pandemic. But with Singapore planning to have enough vaccines to cover its population, and that's around 5.6 million people, by the end of this year, this could just be the tip of the iceberg and place pressure on waste management resources here.
This is one of just 5 companies in Singapore licensed to collect biohazardous waste from medical institutions. They have to take precautions during collection and disposal to reduce the risk of transmission. Here, the bins remain sealed and automated systems empty them into the incinerator. At the height of the pandemic last year, these tanks were used to temporarily store non-biohazardous waste from factories to free up the incinerator from medical waste. The company is now preparing for another surge.
We can scale down on the collection and the incineration of pharmaceutical and petrochemical waste and increase the collection of the biohazardous waste. We have a 20% to 30% increase in our workers. And right now we are still employing, especially the workers that's handling the biohazardous waste.
This facility, which handles medical waste from most public hospitals, is also ready.
Waste collectors are boosting capacity to handle biohazardous medical waste as mass vaccination kicks off.